Okay, let's get started on this OSPF lab. Enable and set IP address on the LAN interface of each router to be the last assignable IP of each subnet. Let's do that first on the HQ. Oops, I got a terminal. Alright, again, for the sake of time, I configured these IP addresses up for the ones that we need beforehand. So for the first LAN interface is fast Ethernet 00. And we're going to say it IP address. We're at the HQ router, so we want 128.0.6.142, and it's a /28, so that is a 255.255.255.240 mask. Well, no shut. Let's see, while we're here, let's do the serial interfaces. We need interface serial 000 to be the first IP of IP address 128.0.6. First IP of 156 would be 157/30. No shut that. And we'll go to interface serial 010. Let's try that again. IP address is the first IP of 128. It's the last IP of 128.0.6.92 would be 94 with a /30. We'll no shut that. So if we do a show IP interface brief, all right, that should be good. Let's move on to the branch router. Let's do the LAN interface first. Interface fast Ethernet 00. IP address, again configured beforehand, is 128.0.6.150 with a /29. We'll no shut that. Let's get this guy out of the way. And for the serial interface, we're going to do an IP, let's see what they say, last IP of 128.0.6. That'd be 158. The mask of 255.255.255.252. And let's no shut that guy as well. All right, let's see here. All serial interfaces use HDLC encapsulation. So we are on the DTE side here. Already in, so let's do encapsulation HDLC and clock rate for 64,000. We do a show IP interface brief. We've got our serial, got our Ethernet, and we should be good there. Let's look at the OSPF now. Set OSPF as routing protocol on each router to let host 1 connect to host 2. Process ID 1 for Ranet HQ. All right, let's go back to the HQ router. All right. Configure terminal. Process ID 1, so IP OSPF. Router OSPF. And this should be, we want process 1 for the HQ. All right. So the first network is network 128.0.6.128 and should be wildcard bits 0.0.0 dot, let's see, /28 gives us 16 usable IPs, so the wildcard mask is going to be a 15, and we need area 0. Should be it. Okay. And then we need to set the other network for the serial interfaces. So network 128.0.6.156. Wildcard of that, area 0. What else do I need to do before we jump off? Set default route on each router to let host 1, host 2. So let's do that. Nope. IP route 0000 to serial 010. It's going out to our server over here. Okay. Oh, router ID. So interface loopback 0. IP address for the HQ is 1.1.0.1 with a /24. Is that all we need to do on HQ? I think so. Let's jump over to the branch router here. And router OSPF. Process ID is 100 for the branch router. Network. Got that one over here. 128.0.6.144 0.0.7. Area 0. The serial interface network here. Area 0. Okay, let's do the loop back. IP address is 1.1.1.1. And then the default route serial 000. All right, let's see here. So we should, if we do a show IP protocols, We can see the routing for these networks. And we should do a show IP OSPF neighbors. And we can see the HQ router. Also over here on the HQ router, we should be able to show IP protocols. And we can see the networks. Show IP OSPF neighbors. And we can see the branch router. So we should be able to verify let host 1 and host 2 to be able to connect with the online server. So let's check that out. So we want to ping 203.87.129.95. Let's give it a minute. There we go. So host 2 is good. I'm going to copy and paste this. And host 1. To paste. Okay. So we got our OSPF working. Our host can ping the server. And alternatively, they should be able to ping each other. We can do that for the fun of it. And they can ping each other. All right, that's it for this lab.